And now the news in detail. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar today participated in the interactive session on Northeast India's integration with Southeast Asia and Japan at Kirori Mal College, Delhi. In his speech, Dr. Jaishankar said for India to look east, Delhi should first look east and see the Northeast. It is when the potential and the possibilities of the Northeast are fully appreciated. He also spoke about Northeast India's connect with Southeast Asia and Japan, adding Modi government's initiative have benefited the Northeast immensely.
So step one, we speak about look east. I always tell people for India to look east, Delhi should first look east. Delhi should look east and see the Northeast. And it is when the potential and the possibilities of the Northeast are fully appreciated. That is actually when the look east and the act east policies become serious. But if you look at the last decade, Northeast India has actually been a big beneficiary of this dramatic improvement in India-Bangladesh ties.